Hi, my name is Ella Burns and I'm part of the Saddle Up 4-H Club in Clay County, Florida, and I'm here today to show you how to tack up your horse. So the first piece of tack that I'm going to put on is the Pro Ride wool pad, and this just kind of provides protection from a horse's back from the saddle. So when you put the saddle pad on, you want to make sure that the saddle pad is lined up with the middle of their shoulder. So right there, and this has cutouts, so I want to make sure the cutouts go directly along the spine. So that is where you should place the saddle pad. So now I'm going to put my saddle on my horse. I use the Dakota Saddlery barrel saddle, and just because it's more comfortable for me to ride in. So when you put the saddle on, you want to swing it on, because it's a lot harder to pick it up and place it on. And with these saddles, they tend to be really heavy. So swinging them like that kind of helps build the momentum to get them up there. Okay, so now I'm going to do it my cinch. So I'm going to place my stirrup over the horn of the saddle and pull my cinch through. And I use the Weaver Felt Smart Cinch. This is a sweat wicking cinch. That way my horse, when she sweats, it doesn't sit and rub her and make her skin rub raw. But this cinch, you attach it through the first loop, and then you run it back up through the top of the D-ring, and then you loop it through the second loop. That way when you pull, the rollers help cinch the saddle nice and tight. And I'm going to tie it in almost like a, how you would tie a dress tie. I'm going to pull it through and give it another pull. And then I'm going to loop it through right there. So now I'm going to do it my breast collar, and a breast collar keeps your saddle from sliding forward or from sliding backwards. And so I'm going to, you attach it to the D-rings on the front of the saddle, and then you attach it to the girth on the D-rings on the girth. And then, okay, so now I'm gonna put on my bridle, and I just use a one-ear plain headstall with a hackamore, a rope nose hackamore, because she doesn't do well in a bit. She prefers the hackamore, so that's what I ride her in. And so I'm gonna take my halter off and keep my arms around her neck. That way she doesn't try to run off. And I'm gonna place my reins around her head. And then I'm gonna put the hackamore over her nose and pull the earpiece over her ears. Adjust everything, make sure everything's good. Adjust the earpiece, adjust your mane. And now I have my bridle on.